I'll be showing you the top coming soon apps available for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your Shopify store. The first app we'll be taking a look at is for your overall store. This one's called Tapita Coming Soon /pre-launch and lets you easily build a coming soon and pre-launch page for your Shopify store. So it's going to show a nice notification saying, sorry, your website is under construction. You can add different photos, different layouts, as well as different colors here. So you can create a great first impression with your customers with a stunning coming soon page. It allows you to select a ready-made template and use their drag and drop builder. So you can quickly create coming soon pages and freely customize every aspect of the page with the drag and drop builder. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 4 5-star reviews. So the next app we'll be taking a look at is going to lean more towards products, and this one's called PreOrder Today. You can create pre-order waitlist when items are sold out of stock, or coming soon to secure revenue. So you can switch add to cart with pre-order buttons for an out of stock or back ordered products. Allows for easy installation and setup. And you can drive purchases by offering discounts on pre-orders. As we can see here, the add to cart button has been changed to a pre-order button. You can set up pre-orders on specific product variants and manage it easily in their dashboard. You can also create custom percentages and fixed amounts on discounts for pre-orders. You can tailor your pre-order button text, set a quantity limit, and an order timeline while customizing your message. In terms of price, there is a completely free plan with one product. Then it's going to be dependent on how many products you're setting to pre-order, with premium being $24.99, and it has unlimited pre-order product. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 434 5-star reviews. In terms of the review summary, merchants appreciate this app for its effective facilitation of pre-orders, contributing to business growth and enhanced customer experiences. It's praised for its user-friendly interface, seamless Shopify integration, and features like inventory management and pre-order sales tracking. For our third app, let's take a look at PreQuick. It's again going to be a pre-order now in sale app. It's easy to customize and set up. You can customize the pre-order button and label. You can set up your own rules, and it is going to be mobile optimized. So it lets you create unlimited pre-order funnels and products. It gives you different settings and customization options to customize the default delivery date, note and label, cart label, and you can select pre-order default type settings. You also get a live preview and customization so you can see exactly what it looks like. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 102 5-star reviews. This app is also completely free, which is a big bonus there. In terms of the latest review, it's a 5-star review and it says the app is very easy to use without any fancy useless functions. It's free and can do what they actually need. It's straight to the point and simple. For our last app, let's take a look at PreOrderNow Presale Wolf. So you can set up your pre-orders in 3 easy steps. The first one is to choose your products, whether you want to select a few products, collections, or all products. There's also the customization for the button text, delivery note, cart label, and checkout label. Lastly, you can change the setup rules to have it be always on, pre-order when sold out, or pre-order even if in stock. In terms of pricing for this app, it's going to start at $4.99 a month, and there is a 10-day free trial. But it's going to be based on the amount of pre-order revenue generated by your store. On the unlimited plan at $119, it does actually have unlimited pre-order revenue. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 461 5-star reviews. Merchants find this app user-friendly and easy to integrate, praising it for its pre-order features and ability to sell products even when out of stock. The customer service is noted for its quick responses and efficient problem solving. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top coming soon apps for your Shopify store. Before I go, I want to say that if you've ever tried to figure out how much money your Shopify store is making, you should have been using our sponsor ProfitCalc instead. It's the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can see how profitable your store is in just one click there. It's going to give you a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to link seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCalc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below where you can access the app listing directly. Both of those get you a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.